Hi, friends. We're going to get into some reading workshop, okay? All right, get into some reading, my friends. All right, my friends, I want you to say, I'm a boss. Say, I'm a boss of my reading. Good job, friends. All right, let's see what we're going to be a boss of to help us with our reading today. All righty, friends. So today we're going to learn that readers try sounds many ways to figure out words. Okay. So, my friends, what I want you to do with either your parents or whoever's helping you with your work today, I want you to look at this chart. Oh, yes, it has vowels, our vowel sounds A, E, I, O, and U. But remember, it can be long. It could say its name like A, E, I, O, or U, or it can be short where you don't hear the letters down. So I want you to look at these pictures. I'm going to zoom in on these pictures. Let me see if I can zoom. I'm going to make it bigger. And I want you to look at these pictures and I want you to say those pictures so you can hear the loud, the long vowel, and then hear it short where it doesn't say its name. Okay. All right, my friends, I hope that you had time. If not, you can pause Miss Waring and go through and finish saying those pictures with that vowel sounds, either saying its name or it being short, okay? All right, like an apple. That's short, but a, remember, it has that silent E. A is going to say its name, so it's going to be long. It's going to say its name. All right, my friend. So today I want to teach you that readers are flexible. They know that letters and groups of letters can make different sounds. You can say the word or the word part many ways to help you figure it out. So we're going to either try to say the vowel long by saying its name or saying it short where we won't hear that actual letter sound. Okay, so let's look back at our book with Zelda and Ivy, the Runaways. Okay, all right. So remember, readers try it many ways. So let's look at this word. Miss Waring has the word highlighted. We're going to try to flip it and see which one sounds right. Remember, we have to ask ourselves those questions. Does it sound right? Does it look right? Does it make sense? We're going to really be paying attention to that sound right part today. Zelda spread her blanket behind the butterfly bush. All right, so Miss Waring made the E say its name because I had that vowel team. And the vowel team is supposed to make that E say its name. But my friends, I don't think spread sounds right. So let's try Zelda eh, eh. So I made it sound, I'm going to flip it and I'm making it sound short, like how the letter E can sound a different way. Eh. Zelda spread her blanket behind the butterfly bush. Ah, that sounds right. That sounds much better. Here's a good spot, she said. We can see the house, but no one in the house can see us. The Fox sisters peeked through the bush at their parents. Mom and Dad will really miss us, said Ivy. Yes, said Zelda. They'll be sorry they made us cucumber sandwiches. All right, so now let's look at these other words and let's try to flip it, okay? All right, so we're gonna try to either make it short or either make it sound its name. And look, my friend, that ooh, that O, that came back from phonics. So let's look at this one. Ode. I don't think that sounds. What about we make that ooh sound? Ood. I think that sounds right. Let's look at another one. Let's do this one with this EA vowel team. L N. L N. I don't think that sounds right. Let's make it actually say its name. Let's say that E. L-een. Ooh, that sounds much better, friends. So I want you to do is I want you to go through with either your parents or whomever is helping you today. And I want you to go through and read these words. And my friends, remember you have to flip that vowel sign. You may have to make it say its name like A, E, I, O, or U, or you may have to make it short like ah and ah, ooh, okay? Or okay? Alrighty, friends. Good deal. So what you're going to do, my friends, is that you're going to go find you a fiction book. Remember, not a nonfiction, but a fiction book, a book that's kind of made up, okay? And as you're reading, I want you to go through and think about all the things that you need to help you be the boss of your reading, to help you figure out tricky words. Remember, we tried it many ways today, but we talked about thinking about what's happening in our book, maybe reading it part by part to help you figure out that word. Think of a word that may fit. You may have to skip it and come back to it, or check if it's a snap word, or use a word that you know, my friends. But remember to ask yourself these three questions when you're fixing that tricky word. If you get stuck on a tricky word, does it make sense? Does it sound right? Or does that look right? Okay, friends? And then after you get done with that, you're going to go to your fiction story element chart. Miss Warren's going to show you exactly what that looks like. This is going to be inside of your seesaw. And after you finish reading that book, being the boss of your reading, using everything that you know to figure out tricky words, you're going to fill in the characters of your book, the setting, where is the story taking place. Right here in the theme, you can go ahead and put fiction because that's the theme of our book. We're doing a fiction story. And then I want you to tell me a little bit about what happened in the beginning of the book, the middle, and then the end. Okay, friends? So I look forward to reading your responses about your books, about your fiction book, and your story element chart. And remember to use everything that you know to help you figure out tricky words. Okay, friends? All righty, my friends. Good job. See you later.